Let's start tonight with some good news about COVID-19 and the pandemic. We want to thank you for joining us. I'm Rolly Hoyd.
And I'm Marlisa Goldsmith. UAMS had something happen yesterday that they haven't seen in a very long time. 0 active COVID-19 patients in the hospital. THV11's Ian Russell spoke with those working closest with patients about how they're feeling. And no surprise here, they are very excited.
It was wonderful news.
For Dr. Michelle Krause, it's hard to contain the excitement she's feeling.
I mean, I haven't seen such low levels in the well over 2 years that we started having patients hospitalized with COVID-19.
And you can't blame her. COVID's been a fight each and every day for those working in healthcare. But Wednesday saw a welcome sight they haven't seen in a while.
I was so excited when we got to single digits. And then for that one period of time, we got down to yesterday where we had no patients that were required respiratory isolation.
For those who have been working every day to make patients better, this is huge. A couple months ago, and it didn't look like this could happen. But Dr. Krause was hopeful.
So we were very hopeful at the time that as fast as we went up, you still have to come back down. And so we were very fortunate that coming down period wasn't very prolonged.
She isn't the only one thinking this. Gina Boshears is the clinical service manager at UAMS. She knows how tough the pandemic has been. While this was a short-lived victory, some patients were admitted overnight, she's still celebrating.
It's a great feeling. The morale is so much better. There's a lot less stress.
They're not getting ahead of themselves, though. After all, this time last year, we were also seeing a decrease in cases. A couple months later, and hospitals were swamped again.
We all were so excited, and we were sure it was over the last time. So I think we've learned to not get our hopes up and just to expect anything around the corner.
But this time is hopefully different. More people are vaccinated, and they've got more experience doing this. And while this is a temporary victory, the attitude is still the same. They're celebrating, but not letting their guard down.
I'm proud of our staff and their resilience and their willingness to do whatever it takes to get us through this, and we're ready to do it again if we have to.
In Little Rock, Ian Russell, THV11 News.
Ian, thank you. Dr. Krause says the reason they're able to see this number is because more people are getting vaccinated and getting booster shots.